My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. So today I am going to be trying out this palette. Remember I showed it to you in one of my Five Below hauls. So yeah, we're going to be trying out this palette. And I think I'm going to try to use these blues right here. Yeah, even though I already have eyeshadow on, I put my makeup on and then I thought, I should have tried my new palette out. So I'm going to take this makeup off and we are going to try this. So if you want to see the look that I come up with using this new palette, then you know what to do. Just stay right here and I'll be right back. Okay, so first, and I still have on some of the dark eyeshadow, the black eyeshadow down by my lash line because I'm probably going to redo that anyway. I didn't want to take all my face makeup off, so I left the bottom eyeshadow on and I'm probably just going to go over it, or maybe I'll just leave it like that and just do the top lid. I don't know, but I didn't want to take all the black eyeshadow off yet because I'm probably going to reapply it when I'm done using these colors. So first, I should put a primer on, shouldn't I? Yes, I should. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to be using Hard Candy eyeshadow primer. Just going to put a dab of that on. So this palette comes with sponge brushes. I think I'm going to use this color, then this color, then this color, then this color. Let's see what I can do. I'm going to go ahead and use the sponge brush that comes with it and see how that works. If it doesn't work, then I'll switch to my brushes. Wow, it's very pigmented. Very pretty. I like that. Okay, so got both eyes done. The next thing I'm going to try, I'm kind of trying to do like a gradient effect. I'm going to do the next darkest blue color. This one right here, there's no names on them. I'm going to put that in the center. Ooh, this has more like a purplish kind of a hue to it. I'm really liking the pigmentation of this inexpensive palette. It was only $5, of course, because I got it from Five Below. Okay, I'm going to go back in with that first color and just kind of drag it over that middle color just a little bit to make it look more seamless. Okay, so far I've used two sides of the brush and I'm going to be using two more colors, so I'll use these two sides now. So next I'm going to take this color right here and put it on the outer corner. Here we go, kind of a gradient effect. I don't know if it's showing up on camera. Like that. And then I'm going to do the other eye now. Okay, now I'm going to take that middle, that color that's in the middle, and I'm going to kind of drag it towards the outer corner to kind of blend that in seamlessly now. Yeah, just like that. So that it's more of a smooth transition. Okay, now I am going to take the darkest color and see what happens. I'm going to take the darkest color right here And yay, it's not, I don't think it's a shimmer, so that's good. I'm gonna put that kind of on the outer V like this and drag it in a little bit. We'll see how that goes. Hope it's not too dark. I think I'm going to go up a little higher because when I look straight you can't see it. If you can hear the trash men, I apologize. It's trash day today. That's a little higher. I'm going to go higher and then I'm going to use a crease color, like a beige crease color, to blend it in with. That's probably high enough. Let's try the next eye. And it's kind of messy, but that's okay because like I said, I'm going to blend it in with a beige color. I'm going to do the next eye now. This eye always comes out better eyeshadow wise. I don't know why. I have more space in this eye, but this eye I always seem to like this side better. I'm not crazy about these sponge brushes, but hey, I like to always try to use the brushes that come with the palette just because if y'all ever buy these, I want you to see how they perform. And not everybody has a set of brushes besides what comes in palettes, so I want y'all to see how these perform, like I already said. Alright, so now I'm done with that. I'm gonna take, oh, but these are shimmers. I was gonna take maybe this right here to blend it in with. Maybe I still can, I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna take this color right here. Wow, it looks a lot darker in camera. Right there, and kind of try to blend out that dark blue that I just put on. Ooh, that's a lot darker than I thought it was going to be. Not good, but I gotta use it now. Put it on both eyes now. Darn it. It's not what I wanted. Okay, so let me blend that out anyway now. Whoosh. Too much. Too much of not a good thing. So I think I'm going to go back in with that blue in a minute. Okay, so that was a fail. That color was a fail. Let me go in with something lighter. How about this color then? On camera it looks dark, but in person that looks really light. So I'm going to try this color right here. It is lighter. Try to diffuse that a little bit. Oh mama, this is just a shimmery eye look today. Not good. You don't usually put shimmer all the way up, so what I is going to do, what is I going to do? I think I'm going to take this Hard Candy palette and maybe use this color right here. Let me clean off this brush. Use this color right here to kind of diffuse the shimmer that I have going on. See if I can fix this mess. Kind of toned it down a little bit. I might have saved it. I don't know. Okay, so I think I'm going to leave that like that. And I think I'm going to go back in with that dark color. because I totally messed up when I put that first shimmer color in there, and it kind of took it all away. Okay, so there's that. Now I'm going to go back in. I'm not going to put any more of the crease product on there, but I'm just going to take this brush and blend that in again. That's good enough. Okay, so I'm going to kind of stop while I'm ahead with that. Should I put that light blue right in here? Let me see. Probably going to mess it up by doing that. I think I'm going to take this first blue color and put it kind of sort of in the tear duct area. Yeah, that's cute. There, like that. Kind of put it in the tear duct area a little bit and right through here. Okay, and because I already have stuff down there from the first eye color when I first started this video, I still think I'm going to put something down there. I don't know what. I think maybe this color right here. Put it down on the bottom lash line. Like that. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so you get some of this fallout. It's not much though. I'm really impressed that there's not even a lot of eyeshadow fallout on my cheekbone or anything. Pretty good. Not exactly the look I had in mind, but I don't know. It's okay. All right, let me see. What else? Let me see. I think I'm going to lighten that up, and I'm going to use my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter in the right under my brow bone. It's a little bit lighter. So that's what it's gonna look like. Let me put some, I'm gonna get back into this palette right here because I like the black in this palette. Remember, it's called Ball and Chain. I just think that's funny. Okay, where is my other brush? Here it is. Okay, so I'm gonna take some of this right here and put it on my lash line on the top. Instead of using eyeliner, just thought I'd use this again. It's a lot easier to control than liquid eyeliner. So there's that. Can you see the difference? I can, definitely. Kind of pulls the whole look in together. So there's that. I wonder if I should put a little bit on the outer corner over here. Right above that blue I just added. Yeah, Yeah, so I think that's good with the black. And I've already got mascara on, and I don't need mascara on my, well, I kind of do, because especially on this eye really, my eyelash extensions are really falling out on this side. All right, I'm gonna get up close so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the makeup looks like up close. Okay guys, so that's today's EOTD, eyeshadow of the day. So yeah, I was going to be doing my Tria for y'all, the Tria hair laser removal, but I can't find it. When we moved from Castroville to here, I haven't been able to find it. So I've been looking, I'll keep looking. As soon as I find it, we will do that video, okay guys? So yeah, let me know down below what you would like me to film for you guys. I know that a few of y'all have asked for cooking videos, but I really don't see that that pertains to beauty and health and skincare. Well, maybe health. Maybe when I start coming up with some good healthy recipes, maybe I'll do that periodically. And I know that some of y'all asked me to do a what I eat in a day video, which I've already thought of that. I've been thinking I want to definitely do that, and I will be doing what I eat in a day video, and I might just do something like what I do in a day, like my exercise, my filming, my eating, everything. I might do that, so let me know if that's of interest to some of y'all. But anyway, I will do the Tria video as soon as I find my Tria. It's in a blue case with a handle, and I just cannot find it. I remember packing it, just don't remember where it is. Alrighty guys, so don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, bye!
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.